Here's how to stay ahead in video editing. What would you do if one of your favorite tools for editing your videos just disappeared overnight? Probably feel stuck, right? Well, that's what's happening with CapCut. With all this talk about TikTok being banned in the United States, CapCut might be next in line. But let me tell you something. Uncertainty doesn't have to equal fear. We're not going to let a little uncertainty stop us from creating killer content, are we? Today, we're not only going to talk about why this is happening, but I'm going to show you how to stay ahead and keep your video editing game strong, no matter what happens with CapCut. We're going to turn this challenge into an opportunity to level up our skills and become even more unstoppable. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share a free resource that could change how you approach marketing forever. This is about more than just video editing. It's about building a business and a life that's built to last, no matter what challenges come your way. All right, let's dive into this CapCut situation. CapCut video editing app you know and love isn't just some random app floating around in the digital world. It's owned by ByteDance, the same company that owns TikTok. Now, you've probably heard all the buzz about TikTok, right? All those security and privacy concerns swirling around, and it's put CapCut right in the spotlight too. But here's the thing, knowledge is power. When you understand the forces at play, you can make clear, empowered decisions about your business, and we don't bury our heads in the sand. Face challenges head on, armed with the information we need to succeed. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a house on a foundation of sand, would you? You want something solid, something you can rely on. And that's what we can, building a rock solid foundation for your video editing workflow. One that can withstand any storm. So what does this mean for you? It means it's time to take control. Don't wait for someone else to make decisions that impact your business. Remember, uncertainty creates opportunity. Are you ready to step up and take control of your destiny? I know you are. Let's talk about being prepared. You know, life throws curveballs. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. Sometimes it's more like thunder and lightning. But here's the thing. Successful people, they don't get blown away by the storm. They prepare for it. They build their houses on solid ground. Think about your digital tools like a survival kit. You've got your essentials in there, right? The things you need to survive and thrive in the digital world. But what if one of those tools was taken away? What if your go-to video editing app vanished overnight? Would you be caught off guard, or would you be ready to adapt and overcome? Today, we're building that digital survival kit. We're creating a plan for what happens if, and let's be real, when things change, because change is the only constant, right? And we're not just going to survive change, we're going to conquer it. Imagine it. You're in the middle of editing an amazing video and suddenly your app isn't working. But instead of panicking, reach into your digital survival kit and pull out another tool, another solution. You don't miss a beat. Keep creating because you were prepared. That's the power of having a backup plan. It's about taking control of your destiny, of refusing to be a victim of circumstance. It's about becoming an unstoppable force in the face of any challenge. Identify alternative tools, explore different strategies, and build a network of support. Because when you're prepared, nothing can stop you. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. We're building our digital survival kit, and the first step is understanding exactly what. In this case, we're talking about CapCut and all the awesome things that helps you do. I want you to grab a pen and paper or open up your notes app because, we're about to get specific. Write down everything you use CapCut for. And I mean everything. Do you use it to trim your videos? Cut out those awkward pauses and make sure your timing is perfect. Write it down. How about adding music? Do you use CapCut's library or do you import your own tracks? Get it on the list. What about those cool effects and transition? the ones that make your videos pop and keep people hooked. Jot those down too. Think about text overlays, filters, stickers, anything and everything you use CapCut for. This list is going to be our roadmap. It's going to help us find the perfect alternative to anything. Because here's the thing, not all video editing tools are created equal. By understanding your needs, you can choose the tools that are right for you, the ones that will help you keep creating amazing content, no matter what. So take your time, be thorough, and let's create a list that will guide us to the perfect CapCut alternatives. Let's talk about the future. Now, I'm not talking about crystal balls or predicting a stock line. I'm talking about creating a workflow, a system, a way of doing things that's built to last, no matter what the future holds. Think of it like this. The digital world is constantly changing, right? New apps pop up every day, trends come and go, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. But here's the big news. You can stay ahead of the curve. You can future-proof your workflow and make sure you're always one step ahead. So how do we do it? It starts with a shift in mindset. Instead of reacting to change, we're going to anticipate it. We're going to become students of the game, constantly learning, growing, and evolving. Ask yourself, what skills can I learn today that will be valuable tomorrow? Maybe it's mastering a new video editing tool or diving deep into the world of AI-powered marketing. The point is to never stop learning, to never become complacent. Are you ready to step into the future with confidence? Let's do this. All right, let's talk tools. Specifically, tools that can replace CapCut if it goes away. Remember that list we made of everything you've used CapCut for? Now's the time to put it to good use. First up, we've got some powerful paid options that feel similar to CapCut. Filmora and iMovie are great choices. They've got those cool effects and transitions you love, and the layout is pretty intuitive. Keep in mind though, free versions might leave a watermark on your videos. If you're serious about your content, investing in the full version can be a game changer. Now, for those of you who love free stuff and who doesn't, we've got some awesome options too. VN Video Editor, iMovie if you're on Apple devices, and DaVinci Resolve are all solid contenders. VN Video Editor is known for its user-friendly. It's a great option if you're just starting out or want something simple and straightforward. iMovie is another great choice for beginners, especially if you're already familiar with Apple products. Now, for the pros out there or those who aspire to be, DaVinci Resolve is a beast. It's a professional grade video editing software which is used in Hollywood movies and TV shows. The best part was a free version was packed with features. The key here is to experiment. Don't be afraid to try out different tools and see what works best for you. And hey, if you're looking for more ways to stay ahead in the digital world, I've got something for you. My free ebook was packed with tips and tools to help you grow your brand, automate your marketing, and dominate online. Download it today at the ultimate guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. CapCut's future might be uncertain, but your creativity doesn't have to be. Start exploring alternatives, build your skills, and keep creating content that inspires and connects with your audience. And don't forget, if you found this helpful, share it with someone who could use a backup plan for their video editing. Drop a comment below and let me know what tools you're using.